Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about task decomposition. It's a universal technique which is used to solve complex problems. So, if we want to get a complex task done by an AI, we need to use this technique because AI sometimes baffles up when it is prompted with too much of nitty-gritties in a single shot. Okay, so the solution for that is task decomposition. For example, you are a teacher and you have grades of all of your students compiled up in an unstructured manner, probably in your notes, and you are saying it, make a make a row and column data out of this grades, then find the average of each subject for the class and find the top find the top uh, last least scoring top 3 least scoring students in the subject of fractions and draft a email for their parents with their names on, politely asking them to contribute in the uplifting of their child's academic persona. Okay, so this is a series of tasks, all of which are a bit daunting. So, and the data here it is. Let us first try it out without the help of decomposition. Okay, so the AI has done the second and third tasks, which are getting the averages and the lowest 3, but you see that it hasn't made different emails for each of the parents, dear parents of Awa, Mia and Carter. So it hasn't sensed the nuance of emailing each child's parent individually because it was baffled up with these series of tasks. And additionally, it didn't make a table for us that we wanted to see. So what we can do is we can break up those tasks and then one by one ask AI to do so. So first of all, we will just say make a row and data out of these columns. Okay, and that is done. Now we will say find the average of the class. Now we will say find the top least scoring students in the subject of fraction. And now after it we will sit and draft emails for their parents with their names, on politely ask him individually on politely ask him then to contribute child's academic persona. So when we decompose the task, we have got what we needed more and more closer to our wish, and one which aligns with our prediction of what AI could do for us. Thank you very much for being with me and seeing how the task decompositions work.